Look, this place is always massively busy. Look, I'm close to that, so I can't even see, to be honest. Okay, that's gonna be a bad one. Go on. Comment. Ooh la la, slow down, pal. But oh no, look at this. Oh no, you are messing with me now. You are messing with me. Alright guys, I am in one of the busiest truck stop in the whole, I would say in the whole UK, to be honest. This place is absolutely massive. The toilets are very close, the food is absolutely gorgeous. If you come down south and you stop on junction 25 on the N25, junction 26 on the N25, you can stop here. Stop for a break. They do an amazing burger here. They do absolutely everything marvelous. So today, my route today is going to be picking a load from down here Essex to go all the way to Waterbridge, finish my paperwork, sign all my stuff, go and do my first checks, and then get on the road. And that is exactly what I'm going to do right now. No! Every single day that goes bing 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 is something different. I don't even pay attention most of the stuff now, because now all I need to do is switch it off, and then when I switch it off, it'll be absolutely fine. So let's carry on with the stuff. All checks, like all the time. Light looks beautiful, it's nice and clean, well, more or less. I carry on checking all the time and making sure everything is there every morning, because it's not my truck, and even if it was mine, I'd be doing it even better. Well, I do a good job, to be honest, but if it's not your truck, just look after it, because they trust you with all this, all that, which is hundreds of thousands of pounds. So look after it. Look after it. It's not hard. You get paid for the job as well, so you can't moan. Yeah, we're fine. All fine. All we need to do now is raise the suspension. I took a picture of that. I don't know who's done that, but before I get blamed for anything, I take pictures of it just to make sure I don't get blamed for it. Da-da-da-da. Markers, even if they move the bit, I be concerned about them. So I'm happy with the check now, so I'm gonna get out of here. But no use yet, because my 15 minutes are not up yet. Look, this place is always massively busy. The truck's coming in every single minute, and it's massive. The yard is absolutely huge. It's a B8 over there. I don't know if you can see it. I saw it yesterday. It's a grey one. We're gonna go past it. Lovely. I love that truck. All right, it's time to rock and roll now. All right. It's just a little bit tight around there, to be honest, because of the trucks and stuff. I'm gonna go and check, because I don't want the string of my trailer to catch on this or the truck next to me as well. Look, I'm close to that, so you see the string of my trailer. I can't even see, to be honest. Yeah, the string of my trailer is not gonna caught on that, so I'll be all right just to go woo. Da-da-da-dam. So funny, people look me weird every time people see me with a camera on my head. Okay, that's gonna be a bad one. Go on. Oh, that's close. Oh, that's close. Yeah, middle axle's gone past, so that should be alright. Yeah, after that middle axle's gone past, that's it. Look at that B8 long nose. I don't know what is the made of them, but absolutely amazing. It's got two tractors in the back. Well, it came in yesterday with that. Absolutely gorgeous. One of the most beautiful trucks I have seen so far. Okay, so I need to get to this roundabout to be able to turn right. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, clear to go. All right, when I get a little bit more closer, guys, I'm gonna come back to use. But this traffic is absolutely mental. I'm gonna be in here for a while now, so catch you in a bit. Alright, in the previous video, I think 2 videos before this one, is when we came in here. It was quite dodgy to get in, so like take the swing out to get in, and then a lot of bakers were coming this way. This is a single track road. Look, I'm gonna have to let him come out. The guy behind me is gonna have to wait, because otherwise I just crash into it, and that is one of the things we don't want. Massive hole there, gotta be careful with that. Yeah, we just come around there nicely. You see what I mean? Like, it's not like trucking is it can be the hardest job and it can be the easiest job, but it depends what you make out of it. Look at that, approaching to bends like this, it's just an easy job. Easy, it can't get any easier than this, to be honest. Oh, the blue doors are open today, so stray him. It's a dodgy reverse all the way here, but it should be all right. All right. Oh, look at that moves. All right, I'm gonna park here. To get in there, I think they're gonna send me to bay 2 again. I'm gonna show you that in a second. And it's a blind spot reverse as well. All right, I just spoke to the guys there. Gonna go and reverse in bay 2. And that is what I thought. So that bay there, so I'm gonna have to reverse the truck all around that. And get in there. Doesn't seem that difficult, but because I'm used to the cameras and stuff, doing it with the mirror is a little bit more difficult for me. Yeah, let's do it. Can't waste no time. Let's do this pretty quick so we can get to Bridgewater quicker. Put the windows down so I can hear stuff, what's going on around me. So I'm just gonna have to like be close and get out and have a look and stuff like that. Let me just have a look before I hit this guy or something. I know, it's all right. Look at that, beautiful. This is a beautiful one. Nice reversing, nothing difficult. You could have gone bay 2 and would have been so much easier for everybody else. So I'm gonna get in there and then I'm gonna push forward and open my doors afterwards. All right, I know I'm there now. So push forward. So all I need to do is just put it further forward and just go and open my doors, and that be that it. Hold on. All right, after doing all my paperwork, all the stuff I needed to do, it's time to get going. They did take a while to get me loaded and all that, but at least we managed to get out of here now, which is the main thing. I like to stop completely in here. I've seen a lot of people coming out of this exit like quite fast a few times, and you shouldn't be doing that. You should just, oh no, you gotta be really careful when you're coming out of little places like that, especially when it's like single roads. I think it's good. So if you liked content so far, just like, comment. Ooh la la, slow down, pal. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Go on, pal. You go first. There you go, nicely. Okay, he's letting me out as well. But oh no, look at this. Okay. Oh no, you are messing with me now. You are messing with me. Okay, how are we gonna do this, pal? To get into, let me see if I can do it myself, because he hasn't got enough space in here to go through. But he's gonna have to like put in the dishes a bit more. We're still a bit close. Let me let it pull out now. Now pull this way a bit. Wow, what a crazy one. Just thank you, pal. Woo! It's a mental place, this. Push this way so it's got that straight through there. That's it. It's always nightmare. It's always something exciting in this little pool. All right, easier start, take it calm, do what you can, and then if you get stuck, you always got the option to reverse back out. There's no way to panic. I used to panic a lot on doing this, like loads panicking. But I think with experience, gathering experience, going to places, being like to tight places and stuff like that, being in situations that most of you've already seen. If you haven't, I will say to go down. So like I was saying, like, subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. That will help the channel massively. That way I'll be able to make more videos. I just managed to jump on the N25. No, sorry, I managed to jump on the N5 now. And traffic's actually mental right now. People going on holiday down to Cornwall and all that, but we're gonna make it there soon enough. So hopefully I get there in the next 10-15 minutes if I'm lucky.
Increíble cómo la gente ama a David y ama a David.
This is Friday traffic for you. For no reason, it's a massive queue on the northbounds. Absolutely crazy. I'm just trying to think now how long it's gonna take me to go from down south or Bridgewater all the way up north. That is gonna be mental. Going through Birmingham is gonna be absolutely horrendous as well. I bet you anything. We're about to get there now, not too far away. I'm really curious about where am I gonna get sent to. Probably do a collection around there. I go back up north, could be do a collection somewhere else and go around London or go back to the place that I was before. It's hard to find out unless they get a ring up right now and be like, hey, listen, you're going this place, and then I just go and do. I just go and go in there. All right, we have arrived now. Jesus. Oof. Just need to go and hand the paperwork in and find out what bay we're going on. Because they normally tell you, but lately they haven't. They normally tell you in the gate like, oh, go this place. Well, to be honest, the gate is open now. This is the second time I come here and the gate is open. All right, we've been given a bay. That bay number 1. Gonna get in the truck. Reverse back in there. I already done the, oh, just dropped the clock. I just opened the doors at the back, so I'll be able to just do that and get tipped, and I'll be able to get out of here, I think. Come on, come on. That's it. Because we got a little lamp post there, but we're miles away, so that's good. Okay. Straight in the bay, no dramas. Oof. Really bad reversing today. Get chucking the way I'm reversing into places lately. Normally be like straight into it. Oh no, we know. Still bang on. Slowly reversing into that. Hey, that was good. I'm not gonna lie, that's still like on the lines and stuff. Still on the line there, so that is so spot on.